Welcome back to Motor Mania, where power meets precision and innovation takes the wheel. Today we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class, a car that doesn't just redefine luxury, it reinvents the entire driving experience. From the very first glance, the 2026 C-Class makes a bold statement. With a sleeker grille, sharp LED headlights, and a wider stance, this model looks sportier and more aggressive than ever. The aerodynamic design isn't just for show, it enhances fuel efficiency and reduces whine noise for a smoother ride. Every curve, every line, has been engineered with performance and style in mind. Under the hood, the new C-Class comes with a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with mild hybrid technology. The result is a smoother throttle response, improved fuel economy, and surprisingly quick acceleration. Whether you go for the standard rear-wheel drive or upgrade to 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the ride is confident, composed, and incredibly refined. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts like a dream, making every drive effortless. Inside, the cabin feels like a scaled-down S-Class. The high-resolution 11.9-inch infotainment touchscreen flows beautifully into the console, paired with a 12.3-inch digital driver display. Everything is powered by the latest MBUX system with voice control, gesture support, and over-the-air updates. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and ergonomic seats create a luxurious cocoon that turns every commute into a first-class journey. Mercedes hasn't held back on safety either. The 2026 C-Class is packed with cutting-edge driver assistance tech like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a new augmented reality navigation system. Whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets, the car feels like it's watching your back at all times. Cargo space is practical for a sedan, and rear passengers enjoy improved legroom thanks to the slightly longer wheelbase. The quietness of the cabin at high speeds is a testament to Mercedes' obsessive attention to detail. In a world where tech and luxury are constantly evolving, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz C-Class stands out as a symbol of elegance, intelligence, and performance. If you're looking for a compact luxury sedan that delivers on all fronts, this car is definitely worth a test drive. Stay tuned for more reviews here on Motor Mania.